what do you think were like the most that stood out sa'yo?
Sa episode, I would say, the people pleaser, bro.
The people,
That was episode 1. It was okay. No,
it stuck with you.
it stuck with me.
I don't think it's my favorite, but that's the most enjoyable na podcast is when we just flow.
Yeah.
So it started with the stress. Diba?
Yeah, the stress
The stress
episode.
one.
So that's your
Yeah.
favorite pa?
No, my favorite is the one we filmed before this.
Oh, okay.
I feel like that's a very vulnerable state of mind. Pero at the same time, the confidence to just blurt it all out.
yeah.
It makes me feel very light and happy.
That's an individual process,
Yes.
bro. Like before we were just alluding to it. It's the program, yung parang mga ganun. But it has been a very big help sa amin talaga because, but the most important is that we actually start growing ourselves because if di kami ready for that sort of, in this case, financial rewards or di kami ready to interview big people, hindi mangyayari.
Yeah, it's never gonna happen.
It's never gonna happen. The vessel isn't ready, kumbaga.
That's true.
Iba na yung energy natin, bro. I feel like that's what's happening.
But like from the first time we actually did this, it's just like puro awkward, and then I don't know how to talk in front of the camera anymore.
know.
But now it's like, what's my love?
Natural. Right? It's a lot
It's
more.
my podcast.
Tama.
It's
our podcast. You're like, manood na lang kayo, guys. Pero I think like that's the good thing because like now it's our progress. You're probably watching this, guys. Like kayo, you're watching this somewhere around July. So it's the first half of 2025 has already passed, and nandito lang kami to kind of like share our progress, mga reflections namin, because why not? It's a good thing if you have goals in life, career, relationships, even sa family niyo or whatever that is. At least alam niyo kung saan na kayo. You can't actually go somewhere when you don't know where you are. So
Celebrate a little.
celebrate a little. You've come so far for sure. Marami na kayong nagawa.
Yeah.
So how did we actually start to
Coming into 2025, we already knew what we were gonna do.
That's true.
That's
though.
true.
That's
We
actually
planned
true.
ahead.
Oh.
That's why the start of 2025, we were already what do you call that phase? Like production phase. Ano ba ta? Kung sa filming, there's pre-prod, production, post-prod. 2025 was production phase.
Production
Because
phase.
na pre-prod na natin noong 2024.
2024. Yeah, that was like probably mga December.
Yeah.
November 2024.
November 2024.
Yeah.
And by January, we were already canvassing for renovations
Yes, correct.
and all of that things. And then once we had everything, we just like, bang, literally our bare hands.
Oh, tama. Like,
Because we were the ones who were doing this.
we sanded this, tore things apart here,
Painted.
paint pa talat. Like, the studio is as perfect as we can actually make it
At
as
the
of
moment,
At
yes.
the moment, for now.
Yeah. Because it's the most like efficient
Mhm.
working
Studio talaga in
na.
a way. Like, if you've actually seen like our episodes, for season 1, it was very different. The production, tapos ngayon, it's so different. Now we have like 3 angles.
Yeah, man.
It's always working. And then, of course, meron pa mga things to improve on, which we'll talk about later on. Pero so far, start ng 2025 was such a good start talaga in a way. Of course, there were some challenges. Isipin natin like 2025, January pa lang. Like, just the podcast alone, we were starting we were doing the renovations, and then at the same time, we were already planning ahead sino yung mga guests,
Yes.
ano yung mga topics, like how are we going to set things up dito. And that was not all of it pa, hindi lang yung podcast that we were working on. We were also working on our other channel, which is Kajut Lang. Diba? Yung Kajut Lang, we were already working on in the behind the scenes. Kasi we were thinking na, hey, podcast tayo ng podcast. I mean, like, it's fun and all, pero nakakapagod din siya from time to time, right? So, what if after we podcast for like 2 or 3 sessions and then,
Play games.
we play some games, whatever, like, really, like, there's actually an episode, there's actually a video of us at yung tatlo ni Cherry. Yeah, we were just playing Coup for the very first time here, and then we were just like trying to figure out, like, how do we play this? Ganon.
Yeah, and then it was like, suddenly everyone that became like the play piece na every time that there's new people, every time na we start play games, it's like Coup muna tayo.
Yeah, Coup. It's
Set
Coup.
na,
Coup is our initiation
Yes,
game,
yes,
basically.
yes.
So that's why, like, we're so happy that 2025 started that way because of course, meron pang mga progress like for example na different opportunities for press play talaga, like this if anybody is still not in the know, press play is actually shot in Space Station Studio. So if you're thinking of mga shoots ninyo, mga video shoots,
content and all of that, this space is actually a place where you can do that.
Correct. And then, of course, we have Sako Media, yung production team ni Kiko, doing all the production stuff. So, definitely reach out to them kung kailangan nyo ng mga stuff like this. If you need content, it's our shameless plug here because we need to
we need to further this. Guys, this is not exclusive.
Correct.
You can be doing this kayo mismo. Just comment down below or chat the page or chat Space Station Studio or Sako Media.
Yep.
We are happy to cater other people who want to do podcasts. Actually.
Exactly. And then imagine nyo na lang, from January 2025, this studio was bare or stripped down talaga. And then now, here we are, July, first 6 months already done. We've done so far probably more than 10 episodes now for the first for the second season, and then we have guests already. Like if you've actually seen like some of our guests already, some of them are like big people na rin. And we're very excited that we will have more bigger people in a way. So kung meron kayong mga interested na interested kayo ng mga gustong pakinggan or mapanood like ng mga guests, let us know or tag them.
Yeah, tag them. Maybe, di ba?
Tag them. Malay mo na.
Diba?
Baka naman. Baka naman.
But yeah, 10 episodes or more, like, what do you think were, like, the most that stood out sa'yo?
Sa episode, I would say, the people pleaser, bro.
The people?
That was episode 1. It was okay. No,
it stuck with you.
It stuck with me. Okay? There's, like, a lot of different episodes talaga that are very good, like, numbers wise, they actually perform very well. Pero for me individual, it's the people pleaser one, just because na it was a highlight of my it was an expose in a way of my own flaws. Even though awkward tayo nun actually, if like if anybody was watching this right now and then tingnan nyo yung episode 1 namin, is actually very awkward between us kasi it was our very first na episode talaga, hindi yung intro namin or trailer. That was nothing. Pero yung talaga na parang meron kaming conversation.
You have a topic and
it was a little bit siguro cringe in a way.
Yeah,
kasi
actually,
there was may structure na pina-follow, and then after that, we were still trying to get our chemistry in a way.
Yes.
Pero now, here we are. Now we're just flowing.
Yeah.
Sometimes we don't even know how long we've been talking.
Yeah, bye. Actually, that's also one. I don't think it's my favorite, but that's the most enjoyable na podcast is when we just flow.
Yeah.
So it started with the stress.
Diba? Yeah, the stress episode. So that's your favorite, ba?
No, my favorite is the one we filmed before this.
Oh, okay.
I feel like that's a very vulnerable state of mind. Pero at the same time, the confidence to just blurt it all out.
Yeah.
It makes me feel very light and happy.
Oh.
So I guess that's a very therapy.
I'm proud of you, bro. I'm proud of you. Yan, like na in a way pa naga-open up.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, na you're more opening up talaga, and then that's an individual process, bro. Like for those who actually don't know, Ren, we're actually also part of a community which is called I Am Plus community now. Like before, we're just alluding to it. It's the program, yung parang mga ganun. But it has been a very big help sa amin talaga because, personal development.
It's more of these people want to grow as well.
Correct.
So you're not stunted to people who just think for themselves, but more of people who are actually there to support and help you.
Yes.
Diba?
That's the thing that I feel like everybody really needs. It's not like, yes, you can get money. Money is important, by the way, and we're still trying to figure that out, especially for this podcast. We definitely want to get it monetized,
Yes, of course.
At some point. Pero we understand rin naman, or at least na-reflect namin, na the money will come rin naman kasi. So, but the most important is that we actually start growing ourselves, because if di kami ready for that sort of, in this case, financial rewards or di kami ready to interview big people, hindi mangyayari.
Yeah, it's never gonna happen.
It's never gonna happen. The vessel isn't ready, kumbaga.
That's true.
So when I first took my Discovery, which is yung program nila, yung first na program, I was so happy because I found some sort of clarity there kasi. And then I was really adamant in a way na sila rin makasama. The team at GK na like, yo, puntahan niyo tabi, like just join this one because like the transformation is very real. I could not have imagined myself 6 months, just 6 months actually, 6 months in a year, then this is where I would have come. That I would meet a lot of people, learn new things, explore different topics, ask these questions to people if I wasn't ready. If I did not attend that one. Kasi parang discover ko talaga yung mga baggages, mga complexities or mga flaws ko. Why am I like this? Why was this my patterns? Bakit ganito ako mag-isip? And that's what I think yung projection ko. Yung trajectory ng ko ngayon, progress. How about sa'yo, Boro? What's your, so far?
So far, I
individual
feel like,
progress.
Yeah, I feel like, if we're talking about discovery, it's not more of a discovery, but more of a confirmation, You get to confirm to yourself or assess yourself in a way na all of these things were already told to me. All of these things were already taught, kumbaga, or napag-usapan na siya. Then you get there and then you feel na, kaya pala.
Yeah.
Diba? You get to confirm, assess yourself na, that's why I'm like this. Diba? And moreover, I get to be, I guess the most that I really learned there was to be more open when it comes to talking about how I'm feeling, what I'm doing, and everything that's happening in my life. And I get to be more open to my partner, get to be more open to my parents, and to the people around me. And in a sense na it heightens the communication.
Yeah.
To a point na, di ba, parang, kung meron to dati, would it have been the same? Di ba, now that there's communication, everything's just flowing.
That is true. So, wala lang, like ngayon, dati, like I said, we've just been alluding to it. Pero now we're more open to actually talking about it because the results are there. The results are there. Hindi naman siguro like super duper 10x kagad yung results because change happens slowly. It doesn't happen overnight.
And everyone deals with it differently. I've seen the people, diba? Everyone deals with it differently. Meron talaga mga people na siguro hesitant pa sila to change.
Yeah.
But there are people who are actually so open to the point that you will actually see results in their lives, diba?
I agree with that. That's why, like, if you guys are interested in talaga discovery, like, or how we experience yung transformation, then definitely check it out. We'll just leave a link in the description below.
Their thing.
It's our thing. Pero yun lang naman is like being part of the community. Yun yung pinaka-importante actually, because that way you understand that, like you said, there are people who will be willing to support you talaga. Because in a way kasi nga, they've already done the work. And then kung ikaw, you're trying to figure things out, you want to progress talaga, just look up to the people who've already done it.
Yeah.
Diba? Why try to figure it out by yourself?
Like the Libni podcast, diba? There's blueprints.
That was so
footprints,
good.
Follow.
That was a very good episode rin talaga, like, it was eye-opening in a way.
That's true.
Kasi nga, like, lalo na yun doon sa part na yun, like, she actually said about, like, yung mga tao sa buhay mo, like, they will come to your life at the right moment.
That's true.
And then, they might actually leave you.
At the right moment.
At the right moment. It will hurt, This is basically also referencing yung Leave Behind namin na podcast na episode.
It may hurt.
It will hurt.
Pain is inevitable.
Correct. Pain is inevitable. It is needed for growth. Ano pa, like, isa pa sa mga natutunan ko recently more is to actually rely on ChatGPT. I have been relying on ChatGPT on actually like trying to understand different perspectives and things. Like, I actually just, nilagay ko sa ChatGPT, like, ito yung mga nangyari sa akin ngayon. And then after that, it will spit out yung mga kailangan ko marinig. Pero at the same time, mga counter-arguments kasi pinramp ko si ChatGPT na huwag ka lang mag-agree sa akin. Bigyan mo rin ako ng solution sa mga counter-arguments, mga reframing. And one thing it said there is that, for example, ako na-overwhelm ako nung June because there's so many things on my plate. And then I asked, like, why am I feeling this way? And then one of the lines that ChatGPT actually said there was that growth is never clean. It is always messy. When there is movement, there is friction. And you're feeling the friction right now.
Oh, that's very... ChatGPT yan?
Yeah, ChatGPT, bro. It's like, what the...
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
He was cooking.
Makes sense.
Yeah. When there is movement, there's always friction. And you are feeling the friction right now because you are expanding. So if you feel like you're stressed talaga, like I said nun sa isang episode natin, it's a sign of growth talaga.
That's true.
Because you're so uncomfortable with it kasi you're not used to it. Pero as long as you're willing to go through that friction, yung messiness, then you will grow. So I feel like that's why I'm so happy and proud na the Pressplay podcast is where it is. We may not be as, big talaga compared to sa mga other Filipino podcasts out there, but we've been doing the work.
Mm-hmm.
And yun lang ang importante.
Totoo. So coming from that, bro, like, how do you think this podcast will still improve?
Talking for me, like, definitely our productions. Our production.
My fault.
And we say production, it's actually like, having the right equipment. Di naman kailangan na. This equipment is actually fine. Mm-hmm. It's just like us needing to prepare it correctly.
Yes.
And then also yung editing. Sometimes, yung production schedule namin gets messy and then di masyadong perfect. So we're trying to, talaga yan. Especially since I'm the one who's actually overseeing everything. At least that for me. And I don't know, ikaw, sa'yo, what do you think?
Well, yeah, upgrades are always inevitable kasi. So, we're working on, hindi naman bare. Because people will say na we're already so lucky we have these, diba?
Yeah, I know.
But, it's the innate nature in ourselves that
upgrades.
What can we do to make this better? Because that's literally the question. What can you do to make this better? And it just goes upgrade.
Yeah.
You will never satiate yourself. Especially when it comes to gear.
Mm-hmm.
Every year, there's new things to come. May bagong teknolohiya. Diba? So I guess production and it works efficiently.
Yeah.
But there are always upgrades to come.
Also, one of the things I've thought about was yung flow. Sometimes it doesn't really come naturally kasi, for example, when we're interviewing someone, like, hindi pa rin namin makuha yung timpla usually.
Especially when tayo dalawa was like, talk.
Yeah. And then, like, let's just say, kung may guest kami, sometimes we catch ourselves na it's becoming too structural. Parang like, so rigid na. So we're trying to be more, natural about it na parang, we're just bouncing off from, the guest's answers, mga responses nila, and then we're trying to be more, conscious about different topics. I think that's another one, yung mga topics.
That's true.
There's definitely a lot more.
Yeah.
Kasi at some point rin, mag-expand rin tong space eh.
That's true.
This space is going to expand.
This space is going further into the cosmos.
Tama. Kaya nga space station tayo, di ba?
The universe is always expanding.
Yes.
So this space station will traverse the universe.
Wow.
In ways you will never imagine.
Oh, yeah.
Nasingit pa yun.
Nasingit pa. Manifest na yun ni Kiko.
Putting this out on social media. So, whoever is watching this, diba, we will be expanding. Insert meme.
Pero that's pero kayo guys, like, ano nyo ngayon? Like, how far have you gone through already, for 2025? What's your progress ba? Like, share your wins sa comment section below.
Share your wins and together we will celebrate your wins no matter how small, no matter how big.
Tama.
Pero syempre, mas malaki yung celebration pag big.
I know, right? Whether or it's sa career mo, maybe nagka-promotion ka.
Maybe gumising ka ng maaga kanina.
Tama.
Diba?
Malay mo, or, you finally quit your job to pursue something na you like better.
Yes.
Or let's just say sa relationships mo, family, di ba? Nag-usap na kayo finally ng mother mo or ng father mo.
Di ba?
Hindi na kayo nagsa-silent treatment ng partner mo, di ba? So those are already wins, you know, just reframe it kasi nga, if you really look at it, you are moving forward all the time. As long as your goal, may goal ka talaga, at least just have a goal. That's it. Kahit small pa lang yan, just, it's a win.
It's a win.
So share them below, you know, and then tag any friends that you have na feel nyo kailangang mag-check-in. Sana ba sila?
Yes.
Baka meron silang mga New Year's resolution na ngayon, nasa New Year pa.
Tag them, sabi mo, oy, galaw-galaw.
Galaw-galaw, bro. Sana.
If not other people, tap yourself. Uy, galaw-galaw. Diba?
Yes. And that's it for today's episode talaga. Hope you guys enjoyed this.
Yes.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and also follow our page on all the socials. And until next time, keep on pressing play.